Good morning, everyone. This is Charlie Shrem for Crypto and Coffee. We're doing this over at Crypto.IQ here in sunny Florida. We wanted to get this video out to you, try to get it in the mornings, so it's the first thing you see when you want to know what's going on in the crypto world. Let's head over to our trading screen here. What we're seeing today, interestingly enough, is the epic battle between the Bitcoin bulls and the Bitcoin bears. The bulls and the bears are putting up their money in what they believe is going to happen today and tomorrow in Bitcoin. The amount of money that's betting on the price going up is at an all-time high. However, the amount of money betting on the price will go down today is at an all-time high as well. So someone is going to get wrecked. Essentially what will happen is, if the price rises above a certain point today, all these people that are betting on if the price is going to go down are all going to be underwater, and they're going to be forced to market buy, basically making the price pop even higher. And the same thing will happen if the price goes down below a certain point. All these people who are betting on if the price is going to go up are all going to be underwater, and what will happen is they'll be forced to market sell as they don't want to lose more money, and that'll cause the price to go down even further. Why today? We're at a point where the price is at a huge fork in the road. If we go below a certain point, if we start going into a downtrend channel, we could potentially see a very short-term bear market as the price consolidates between $5,000 and $10,000 in a range somewhere. If the price rises above a certain point today, we could potentially be seeing all-time highs in the near future. So the next few days are really what matters, but there's no need to be upset. This is super important. Another reason today what's going on is that today the United States Congress is meeting to decide and more educational on the future of token sales and the future of ICOs and token generated events. The last time that the Congress met, it was extremely bullish. It was the first week of February, about 2 months ago, and that was the day when the price dumped all the way down to around $6,500, and over the next 4 days popped up $3,000-$4,000 back up to $10,000. That was a very bullish meeting. It was a good meeting. People really liked what the government of the United States, which kind of is the leader, as we've seen with other industries, on the global regulation. So we're about less than an hour away from seeing how that meeting is going to turn out. There's been a lot of coordinated FUD today. For those who read our glossary, FUD is fear, uncertainty, and doubt. Fear, uncertainty, and doubt is a lot of rumor and speculation, but it causes people to be emotional and to market sell. There's a lot of FUD today. For example, Google came out today and said that by June 1st, they're going to be banning all cryptocurrency related advertisements. This is a big hit for all platforms, exchanges, token sales, all cryptocurrencies across the world. Google is huge. Google is one of the largest companies in the world in terms of the technology and advertising space, as we know, and that ban could be really detrimental. However, it's interesting to think about. Facebook had a similar ban before. What I think is what Google is doing is, why did they wait till June 1st? Why not do it now? An answer that we can think about is that potentially they're saying everything's going to be banned now to root out the scams and the frauds. The scams and the frauds are going to say, all right, we need to go somewhere else. We need to stop advertising on Google. And by that time, Google is big enough where they can actually start proving and not approving certain types of crypto ads, ones that are good and ones that are bad. If they were going to ban everything right now, I think it would be a lot worse. But I don't think we'll see an all-out ban in the near future. I think Google eventually will figure out what to ban and what not to ban. At the end of the day, Google loves cryptocurrency. The problem is there are a lot of frauds and scams, and they need to protect their consumers. Because if someone loses money over an ad they saw on Google, they're going to blame Google. Here at Crypto.IQ, what we do is try to prevent you from buying into all these scams. I'm very against BitConnect, as you guys knew, and that blew up. USI Tech, we've talked about a lot of these projects. There are even some cryptocurrencies that I don't like, and it's publicly known because I don't believe long-term they're viable. There was even some South Korea FUD today, where all over Twitter, the South Korean Bitcoin exchanges got raided. But really they didn't. The government raided 1 to 3 different cryptocurrency scam exchanges. So this actually is a good thing. You want the government to be going after the frauds and the negative aspects. You want the government to be going after the people that are stealing everyone's money. So we saw that. We saw the Google ban today. We saw the South Korean FUD. We talked about the bull and the bear whale and the congressional hearings. This is going to be a very important day. We'll see how things work out. If we look at the price here for a second, interestingly enough, there's an epic battle going on right now with the price. But you look at these walls, the buy walls of people that want to buy Bitcoin are a lot more solid than the sell walls. The order books are extremely thin. There are a lot more people that want to buy Bitcoin and that are holding up the price versus people that are willing to sell Bitcoin. So the price is clear to go up. And it looks like the bear whale is going to have to fight a hard fight to make the price go down. The $8,700 range is very important, so we'll see what happens today. This is Charlie Shrem from Crypto.IQ. I'll see you guys later.